#1, stuffed animal in hand. Gracie Mae, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous birthday, kiddo. She's in Arma.
And in Columbus, little Cooper Miller turns 3 years old. As I understand, he's wearing a bow tie just for you, Michael.
I love it, Coop. I tell you what, man, maybe you can show me how to tie a real one as well. I would love that. Sharp dressed dude right there. I can take some. I am taking tips. I'm taking note, Cooper. I am taking note. Trust me. Happy birthday, my man. Loretta Beeson. She is celebrating her 3rd birthday. Speaking of cool things to wear, love that hat, Miss Loretta. She is in Sheldon with birthday wishes coming with love from Grandma.
All right, and we've got Aaliyah Willoughby, turning 6 years old in Galena. We've got a special birthday message for you, Aaliyah. Happy birthday, Aaliyah. We love you so much. From Mom, Dad, and Bubby.
We've got Troy Johnston, who is celebrating his 9th birthday. Troy, a happy birthday in Joplin.
All right. And in Chanute, Caitlin Ford, turning 11 years old this year. Look at that cake.
That's a cake.
Makes me want to go to the beach.
My goodness. Nicely done right there by the Ford family. Aiden Mincha. Aiden celebrating number 15. Driver's ed. Next year, next year you get turn him loose. But yeah, he's ready to take off right there. Aiden, this birthday wish comes with happy birthday from Dad, Mom, and your sisters, as Aiden is out and about in Lamar. Lamar.
All right, and in Chanute, Brady Trowbridge is celebrating birthday number 15.
That's a get up now. That is a get up.
There's a lot going on there.
There is. That'll take a while to dissect right there. Happy birthday, Brady. Dustin Blackmore, turning 26 years old. Dustin, a very happy birthday. He's in St. Paul.
Lovely picture there of Dustin.
Who this is?
Oh, it's our friend,
She's like
Sarah
extended.
Vaca.
She's like extended family.
Yeah, Sarah is turning 37 this year in Pittsburgh.
Sarah, very happy birthday. Long time no see, so have a great day, my friend. Josh Brennan celebrating 37 as well. Josh, this happy birthday wish comes with love from all your co-workers, as he's in St. Paul. Party on in St. Paul, right?
All right, yeah. Well, if Josh is celebrating, then why can't Heather celebrate? Heather St. Clair in St. Paul. She's 37 as well.
Not preventing Sarah from celebrating. I hope she does. Lanny Cooper is celebrating number 75. Mr. Cooper, a very happy birthday to you in Chanute. Oh, this dude right here.
Ronnie Mercer.
This dude.
Turning 79 years old this year. This is our neighbor in Crestline. Birthday wishes coming from your wife, Wanda.
Yes. Ronnie, a very happy birthday to you. Wanda, thank you for sending in that picture right there. Love the Mercer family. There's something else. Hey, got a special birthday wish. I knew this one was a coming. I've been waiting for it. It's Morgan Strickland. A little great picture right there. Look how tall she's got. My goodness. Little Charger pride right there. That is tremendous. Morgan, a very happy birthday. She had her birthday over the weekend, but because she's like extended family, I was like, we're gonna carry this thing on all week long. So if you see her out there on the court shooting around today, I want you to wish her a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, Morgan.
All right, and we've got a 67th anniversary for Trini and Lorraine and Susie. They're here pictured with their children, Mike, Albert, and Kathy. Congratulations and happy 67th.
That looks like it was quite a party by the Susies right there. Congratulations. That was a heck of a time. Spencer Wade celebrating number 15. Spencer, a very happy birthday in Pittsburgh. Gary Woodard turning 77. Mr. Gary is in Columbus. And Cole Burns, he is 23. And Cole, these birthday wishes with love from Grandma and Grandpa as he celebrates in Joplin. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or if you go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOA Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOA Birthday Club today.
Coming up when we transition on the KOM